The 2015 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, child safety locks, bucket seats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.